If SurveyMonkey is showing error 500, don't worry. This is usually a temporary server-side issue or a browser session problem, and in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step fixes so you can get back into SurveyMonkey as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, the easiest fix is to refresh the page. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. A lot of the time, an error 500 can happen because the page failed to load properly on the first attempt, and a quick refresh can clear it up instantly. If the page loads after refreshing, then the problem was just a temporary glitch. If refreshing does not work, the next thing to do is wait and try again. Error 500 usually means there is something wrong on the server side, so the issue may not be on your device at all. Give it about 5 to 15 minutes, then come back and try opening SurveyMonkey again. Sometimes the server just needs a little time to recover, and once it does, the error disappears without you needing to change anything. If you are still seeing the error, move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached files and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with website loading and cause repeated errors, especially if SurveyMonkey is trying to load an outdated session. After clearing the cache and cookies, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying again. Another very effective fix is to use Incognito Mode, or a private browser window. This gives you a fresh session without using saved cache or cookies. Open a new Incognito window, go to SurveyMonkey, and log in again. If the site works in private mode, that tells you the problem is likely related to your normal browser data rather than the SurveyMonkey service itself. If the issue continues, try a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, switch to Edge. If you are on Edge, try Firefox. Sometimes one browser has a compatibility issue, an extension conflict, or a corrupted session that another browser does not have. This simple switch can save you a lot of time and help confirm whether the error is browser-related. You should also try logging out and logging back in again. Sign out of your SurveyMonkey account completely, then close the browser tab, reopen SurveyMonkey, and log in again from scratch. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication-related problems that sometimes appear as error 500. If your session has become stuck or expired, a fresh login can clear it right away. If none of these steps work, the problem may be on SurveyMonkey's end. In that case, the best option is to wait a little longer and try again later, or check whether their service is experiencing downtime. But in most cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the issue quickly. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a few minutes, clear your cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, switch browsers, and log out, then log back in. Those are the fastest ways to fix SurveyMonkey Error 500 and get back to work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.